Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to buy the USD from the Binance app. It is a very easy process, so let's dive right in. First of all, find the Binance app on your home screen. Now open it. After opening the app, here you can find the option of trade. Simply go ahead and select it. After selecting it, here you can find the buy option. Now simply tap on it. Now, to buy the USD, simply tap onto the search bar and type USD just like this, or you can also scroll down and find it. Now tap onto the USD that you want to buy just like this, and after tapping on it, tap the amount that you want to buy. After that, tap onto the select payment method right here. Now you can either buy the amount from your Visa card or your Apple Pay card. After selecting one, simply tap on to confirm. After confirming it, now you need to add your card informations. Now add the informations and simply tap on to confirm. And after confirming it, you will be able to buy the USD from the Binance app. And that's it. This is how you can buy the USD from the Binance. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.